Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to quickly share with you these two new sleeves of Nespresso coffee that I picked up. And I don't believe that they're in stock anymore. I was pretty lucky and I snagged some. And this one is the amaretti flavor. And then I also got the Pecan Biscotti. And I'm just gonna get these opened up and loaded into my tray, and at the end of this video I'm gonna show you a recipe using the Pecan Biscotti. So, the packaging is like really cute and pretty with the gold foil. I love all the colors that Nespresso comes up with. So here's the Pecan Biscotti. It's got gold little polka dots all over it, and a gold band here at the bottom. This is really cute. And here's the other one. This is the amaretti, or amaretti. Am I saying it right? There's that one. And it's like a coral color capsule with gold little stripes on it. And these are both the standard coffee size of 7.77 ounces. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make a latte using the Pecan Biscotti capsule. This was posted on Nespresso's Instagram page a couple weeks ago, and it's using this Pecan Biscotti, and the name of the recipe is actually called Cookie Jar Latte. So I'll just run through the ingredients real quick that you'll need to make this one. You'll need 1 capsule of the Pecan Biscotti. You'll need a couple of ounces of milk, or half and half. Whipped cream, plain white sugar, and then also you'll need some cookie butter, and then optionally you can use a dash of cinnamon. So the first thing I want to do is get some milk going in my frother, and I'm going to use about 3 ounces of milk for this recipe. The Nespresso recipe that was listed said to use 4 ounces, but I don't think that's going to work for my mug here, so I'm just going to measure out about 3 ounces of milk here. That looks good. And I'm just going to get this going in my frother. And while that's going, I'm going to get about 2 tablespoons of this cookie butter down into my glass. And I'm just going to eyeball the tablespoons, and that's what it looks like if you've never used cookie butter. I've actually never purchased cookie butter before, but I was able to find this at my neighborhood market, the Walmart version of the neighborhood market, so easy enough. I'm just going to get this down in the glass. It's pretty sticky, so there it is. Not very cute, but that looks good enough to me. Okay, so my milk is done frothing, so I'm just going to add that straight into my mug. And then just give that a stir. Make sure all that cookie butter is melted. And it already smells really good, that cookie butter with that warm milk. Smells pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna place that back there. Next, I'm just gonna brew 1 capsule of this Pecan Biscotti right on top of everything that's in the glass. Get that going. Just to give you guys a little information about this particular capsule, this is a limited edition holiday flavor, and it was inspired by flavors of Italy. The Nespresso website listed this flavor as having a nutty note with a smooth cereal taste. And it was designed to capture the spirit of the traditional dunking biscuit in a coffee reminiscent of Italian flavors. And I do recommend to add milk to this particular capsule. Okay. Now, because I already have some sweetness added with the cookie butter, I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of sugar. The recipe that I found for this cookie jar latte actually calls for 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm just going to start with 1 to see how that goes. Stir that all up. Already smells really good. Looks like Crema got me here in the foam from my frothed milk. Need a larger glass. Okay, so last but not least, I'm just going to give it a little topping of this whipped cream. Not too much. There we go. And then a little sprinkle of this cinnamon powder here. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. It's really good. It is really smooth. It's not as, I guess, not as artificially flavored in the coffee as I thought it would be. Maybe because I did add milk and, I have those other ingredients like the cookie butter, that little dash of cinnamon and the whipped cream on top. But it's really smooth. It is reminiscent of a biscotti cookie. I really like this. It's definitely a treat, and you can certainly customize it. Like if you want something to be sweeter, you can add an additional teaspoon of the sugar, and you can adjust the cookie butter to your liking. But this is definitely worth a try if you happen to have the Pecan Biscotti capsule, or you probably could try this with some other different milder type capsules. Maybe some that aren't necessarily on the strong side, or maybe even some other flavored capsules. I haven't tried it with other flavors from Nespresso, but I might do that once I run out of my Pecan Biscotti. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like this type of video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.